What's up, everybody? Welcome to another passive income video. Today we're going to be talking about selling stickers like a boss here on Redbubble, getting the most out of your money and maximizing sales when selling stickers. All right, guys? So before we go ahead and jump in, I just want to give a shout out to the Blend Photos course, mini course, $9.99. On my website, autopilotpassiveincome.com. You go over here to the products. The link will be in the description if you guys happen to be interested. It's just a quick skill to learn for Redbubble. If you're interested, you literally combine two photos and turn them into one, kind of like this. There's 3 examples on the page. You could see another example right here and another example here. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave the course down below. It's currently on sale. $9.99. I broke down the course. I made it very, very simple. These designs take like 10 seconds to do. So if you're interested in that, once again, I'll leave the course, the course link in the description. And you know what? For everybody who's watching this specific video, I'm going to give it a $4 discount. So if you're going to pay for this course, $4 discount whatever the price might be. You guys might reach the price. It might be $9.99. Sometimes you might see it $14.99. Whatever the price might be, I'm going to give a $4 discount. Use code MONEY. Use code MONEY to get $4 off, all right? So let's go ahead and jump right into today's content. So, selling stickers. A good way to sell stickers from what I've seen is to sell sticker packs. Now, the idea of selling sticker packs is nothing new on YouTube. People have talked about it before. I'm sure you guys have already known about it. If you don't know about it, basically you just get a collection of images, put them on your Canva here. Now, for those who aren't using Canva, I'm very interested in what you guys are currently using to create your designs. I do use Canva. As a person who is not an advanced designer, Canva is perfect for me. I don't need to do too much work with it. I know there's some alternatives to Canva. For example, like a software called Design Bold. You guys could use Design Bold as well. There's a few other ones. I don't really remember the names off the top of my head. One of them is like called like Monkey or something like that. It's like all these different softwares. But anyways, Canva happens to be one of my favorite. It's pretty famous. I mean, most people know about it. But if you don't know about it, go to canva.com. And basically what I like to do is I like to take a bunch of images and I like to fit them all in one document. Now, the document here is 1920 by 1080. Now, I keep this sometimes the default size for the stickers that I like to go with. And I'll explain why, and I'll explain, kind of the reasoning behind that. Now, you guys can see here, it's almost like a pattern in a way, right? We've got 4 images here, 3 images here, 3 images here. It's almost like a pattern. Now, these are the zodiac signs. And I'm giving you guys an example because I did this specifically, and I want to show you guys how this works. So when the person buys these stickers, they're going to be able to peel them off depending on how close they are together. If they're too close, they're going to come out as like one sticker, and you don't want that. You want them to be almost like separate stickers. So the best thing you could do is make it a transparent background. So if it's transparent, right, you could change the colors and it will look fluid, like nothing will look too bad. I like to typically have a white background, but it's generally up to you what you like to do with the stickers. And what I like to do is I like to download it in a transparent file. Now, I obviously have this downloaded, and remember, it's 1920 by 1080. What I like to do is I like to go over here to the Redbubble Upload Center. And what I'm going to do is I can add these products. You guys can see here I have the product added. What I like to do is I like to add it on all products. Let's get that straight. I like to add it on all products. But what I like to do, more importantly, is I like to make it show up on a pattern for other products other than stickers, okay? So if we're talking about, like, for example, this t-shirt, I like to go over here to choose pattern. I like to choose the offset grid pattern. And you could see here, the whole t-shirt now looks like this cool pattern. So a lot of the times what I've seen on Redbubble is a lot of people just like to sell only the stickers if they're going to do a sticker pack, right? And they don't add that same design on a phone case or a t-shirt, and they think it might not look good, or even a desk mat, right? I say sell it as a pattern, and that will help multiply your sales for your sticker packages, okay? Now, the idea is that stickers don't bring that much profit in, but you can boost the amount of sales that your stickers get by creating these sticker packages, because essentially when somebody's buying a sticker pack, they're getting multiple stickers for the price of one, essentially, right? And so you could see here with the stickers, they have their own little circles around them, if you guys could see. And depending on what kind of monitor you'll have, you'll be able to see the outline properly or not. But for me, like for the monitor that I currently have, I can't see the outline, but on my Apple computer, I could see the outline. So it just depends on what computer you guys are on. But you can see here, there's some sort of outlines around every single design we have. And that's because, number one, it came in transparent. Number two, these are separated. Like if you guys could see here, like the scorpion and the picture of the lion here, there's enough space in between where they're declared as their own stickers. And that's kind of like the Redbubble software. And like I said, what I like to do with all the other products is I like to add it as a grid. So offset grid, I like to do that for all the products. And sometimes if it's something like this on the iPhone where the images are a little bit too big, I like to make them a little smaller so I could show the whole grid on the product, right? Something like this. And I think that looks amazing, right? Because it just adds that extra flair to it. And, you know, it makes all the other products viable. The biggest problem that I've seen with Redbubble sellers today is not all products are viable. Like, meaning, you know, their designs only fit for certain products. And I say, if you're going to take the time to create a design, you want it to fit on all of your products specifically, right? You want it to fit on all your products, not just specifically stickers or a travel mug. You want it to fit for all products. And just because something is already enabled for you by default with Redbubble doesn't mean you shouldn't go back and edit it. So for example, if you look at this design, right, on the travel mug, what looks better, this one or this one? Obviously this one. Like, this one just looks better to me. And I could test it. I could kind of zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, see the size of the product and see kind of how it looks on it. And I can apply here the default view changes. It just makes it a better looking product. Let's take another example here, the spiral notebook. Let's go ahead and enable it. Does it look better like this? Or if I just give it an extra second of effort, right? Now it looks even better. Look at that. Now I'm going to give it even more, a little bit more effort. And you can see here, now it looks even better. So, like I said, you want to optimize every single product for that one design that you have. And if you need to, feel free to go back into Canva, resize your image, and re-download it and test a little bit, right? If you're a beginner on Redbubble, give it some time. Like, so what? It takes a little bit of time. You know, with that little extra effort, guys, of you adding these designs to other products, what you're really doing is you're giving yourself the chance at multiplying your income. When we talk about chances and we talk about probability and we talk about improving ourselves from a business standpoint, you know, there's a reason why we do things like this. It's because there's no guarantee we're going to succeed. There's no guarantee we're going to get a sale, but it makes our products look better. Just look how beautiful this hardcover journal became after, you know, making two quick clicks to it. Two quick different clicks, right? Zoom out a little bit, added the offset grid, and it looks better. Right? I wouldn't go with something like this because that just doesn't look right to me, but I like the offset grid. And obviously, guys, the thing with art is subjective. Nobody can tell you if it looks good or it looks bad, right? You know, to me, I think the art looks decent, right? If I had a friend who really loved, like, was into astrological signs, zodiac signs, I would buy something like this for my friend. But you know, my friend might look at it and say, man, that looks ugly. And I might say, man, it looks really nice. You know, remember, art is subjective. It's not objective, right? And that's why kind of Redbubble is such a great platform for everybody because, you know, there's so many people that might happen to like what you're creating. But with that being said, even though art is subjective, you do want to play a common sense role, right? You want to make sure all your designs look presentable on that specific product, right? So for me, and I'll give you an example, if this shower curtain, let's look at the shower curtain. You guys see how the design is so small inside the shower curtain? To me, guys, that doesn't look presentable to me. It doesn't look respectful. It doesn't look like I put some effort into it. So what I'll do is I'll make that quick change. Like I said, I'll choose a pattern. I'll click the offset pattern. And if I like the way it looks, right, and that looks much better now, I'll keep it. I can always, you know, toggle with it. I think this is actually a good size the way it is now. And I could even switch up the colors to see what's going on. Now with the shower curtain, I'm just going to leave it the default white. I haven't done too much research on, you know, what colors sell the most. I'd actually have to go back into my sales history and see the most. But I don't usually sell shower curtains too often unless it's for these sticker packs. And what I like to do in the sticker packs, guys, since the sticker packs sell the best, is I like to go down here and I like to go to the optimized and I like to look for stickers, and I'll make that the optimized default product. Now, I won't always do that. Of course, it depends on the art. It depends on what I'm looking at, but I'll do that most of the time if my goal is to sell more of those sticker packs and I know that there's an open market for that. So, like with these Zodiac signs, if I go into the Redbubble search and all I see is a bunch of stickers, then I'm going to say, okay, it's probably a better idea to go with the stickers, right? And like I said, you want to optimize for everything. Even though this looks great here on this phone wallet, it could look better if I just make a quick change, something like this, or maybe even zoom out a little bit, and it will look a little bit better. So, and you could even drag and drop where the art goes. So I could drag it like this, and see kind of where it fits. And like I said, this style, making it 1920 by 1080, and adding the images with enough space in between, gives it a good opportunity. And obviously, it could be done better. I'm not an artist. I'm not a genius here when it comes to art. But we all have to try to improve ourselves, At the end of the day, we're in the game. We're in the race to make passive income. So I think this was a cool little tip for you guys. If you guys like this tip and you want more tips like this, hit me up. Leave it in the comments down below. And once again, guys, for everybody who's watching this specific video, we're doing a discount. I'm going to be doing a discount on this specific course. If you want to learn how to blend the images exactly like this, you want to put two images together, kind of like this, I'm telling you guys, go get the course. You get $4 off for this specific course already on top of the discounted price just for this video. Code MONEY, MONEY. All right? I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Bye.